Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing Ehlers Hilbert Oscillator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing Ehlers Hilbert Oscillator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested 287 indicators. And out of those 287 indicators, 113 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 113 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is Ehlers Hilbert Oscillator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Now I'm going to go in and make at least one change here, and that is going to be to the bar color. And so for those of you who have been with the channel for a while, know that I am not fond of indicators that change the color of the bars. Some of them can't really help that, and we have to keep it on. But in other indicators where we don't really need that coloration to be there, then I go in and I turn it off like I have done here. Alright, so basically what we have here is a two-line cross type indicator. I read through the creators, the indicator page that I have linked down in the description, the one that was from the creator itself on TradingView. Now, of course, this indicator was created by Ehlers, and then another TradingView member came along and took those calculations and created a TradingView indicator out of it. And so on that particular page, like I was saying, I read through it, and there does not seem to be any reference to this center line that runs through the indicator kind of screen there. I also read about the original Hilbert Oscillator in Ehlers book. I forget. I think it's like trading secrets or something along those lines. And there was no mention of a line running through the indicator on in that either. And so for now, we are going to ignore. I might even be able to go in and there we go. Yeah, I can go ahead and just turn it off. I'm sure there has to be some kind of function to it, but as far as its function with these two lines, it doesn't seem like there really is one. And so basically what we have is a two-line cross at this point. And so we are looking for when the blue line crosses up above the red line, that is a signal to go long. And when the blue line crosses down below the red line, that is a signal to go short. And so pretty simple setup. That's how we will be testing it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing process and see what we can get out of it. All right, so it looks like we get our first signal right here. That is a short signal. It is on the first of the year, so that is valid. See, we have not gotten stopped out yet, and that little bump right there actually would have stopped us out. So first one stopped out, not so wonderful. Let's see here. Don't look 151, 156. So no, it didn't cross there. And it comes down over here, and as it does, looks like we get a cross for just a moment to the upside there. I'm going to read these coordinates here. Let's see, 90, 83, so that's actually a negative, so 90, so no, it actually wouldn't have crossed right there. Take that back. Sorry, it was negative, so everything's kind of flip-flopped on its head. Looks like it does cross right here. Yep, that's going to be the cross officially right there on that one. And looks like we get a pretty hard pullback right there, but not 90 pips worth. And it does end up going down. Let's see. And hitting that 90 pips. Was not able to get us to the 60 pip. And so again, another losing trade. All right, so following along here, we then pick up a short right there. And rather quickly takes off on us. Crosses up over here. About right there for a long signal. And then very quickly it comes back down on us and would have stopped us out. So far we're not doing too great. All right, pick up a short right there, and wow, once again it flips on us, giving us a long right there, and finally we're able to get to take profit. All right, so I'm going to continue on with it here. I'm going to cut some of the video out so that way it doesn't get too long. I'll pick this back up when we get closer to the end of the year. All right, so we are almost to the end of the year. Now, let me go ahead and finish up these last couple of signals here. Let's see, so we pick up a short right there. It does not... does not hit our stop, but we get a flop to a long right there. Almost immediately falls out on us. Then a short right there, which would have worked out for us. And looks like we pick up one more long signal right about there. And that one also would have gotten stopped up. All right, so let's see here. Let's get zoomed in on this here. So that's what we're looking at there for Ehlers Hilbert Oscillator. So let's go ahead and count these out, see what we get out of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. So we get 32 signals altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 winning trades. So unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we're looking for. It is, it's a shame because it seemed like it was going to do better whenever I played around with it before doing this video. So yeah, rather interesting. I mean, what can we say? It just didn't make the cut. It's giving a lot of signals and a lot of false signals. So yeah, unfortunately, this one's going to have to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.